Filming little skits.
Why's Carver phoning you? Because we caught him up like tortoise in the hare.
Yeah, exactly. He's very upset. He doesn't know where we are.
He could see us.
Well, he could see us, yeah, but he was already in the queue, so he's not going to get out of the queue.
Near queue or far queue.
I don't know what that means.
Jose, the company started by your father 75 years ago. How has it been so successful?
Well, it's been difficult. We have had difficult times and good times, but I think the entrepreneurs have the obligation to overcome the difficulties. So not only use the opportunities and take advantage of it, but also to overcome the difficulties. I think this is one of the key questions.
Javier, an absolutely phenomenal event. Over 300 people through the door. It's been brilliant, it really has. If you can just give me a quick summary.
Well, I mean, we are really, really happy. I mean, the first thing is to say thank you to all our customers coming here in a situation which is not easy after what we have gone through. But basically, I mean, we are really, really happy we could show our customers where we are today and where we want to be in the coming 5 years in terms of technology, in terms of investments. And we share with them, you know, and we open our house for them. So that's perfect.
Right then, first one, OAD. Tell me all about it.
Yep, so this is the OAD head. It means it's orthogonal, meaning there's the double Hertz coupling here, double Hertz coupling here, that are 90 degrees to each other. Now, the beauty of the double Hertz coupling is you can reach loads of positions all the way around your spindle, both in this A axis and in the B axis. So actually, and because of the double Hertz coupling, the gears mesh, it's really rigid, but you get the accuracy as well.
It's everything. It looks, how do you say, it feels, looks quality, feels quality, everything. They pay attention about the good and the right things.
Why do you go travelling column versus some of the bridge and the gantry? What's the difference? Because I mean, obviously, what happens here is this is your x-axis, isn't it, moving left to right?
It is. So what you have is you have a x-axis, vertical axis, and then the ram coming out. And what it allows then is taller parts, longer parts, multiple workstations. So something like this, you could have a rotary table and also a milling table as well.
Do you want to do, I guess, all three on one machine?
Well, you've got total flexibility. One bit of floor space, one operator. It's just the perfect multitasking machine.
You're always keeping ahead of the game and award-winning designs. Your latest technology, the BM180 boring bar. Can you tell me more about that?
Yes, this is something that we were missing in our range of machines. The boring bar of a certain importance. So this is something that last year we decided to present it already, and we made a patent. So it's patent pending right now, and it is. There are some customers who prefer boring bar. There's no question if you deliver to them a milling machine with a certain head, they want a boring bar. So we have decided to offer to the market boring bar as well.
This UHD head on the machine, we can do up to 365 million combinations with an accuracy of 0.02 degrees.
Again, with the ethos of Correa, some very accurate machining there. Also, I see here it's got 3 guideways. That's unusual.
Exactly. We have this different and unusual 3 guidance system because we want to give more stability to the head.
Gracias. Dos pies, por favor. Do you want to be in your video? Yeah. I don't want to be in a video, I've had enough videos. Especially after you called me a monkey ballet dancer or something.
Love French.